What's going on, guys? My name's Bill and this is Tool Tech Tuesdays. On Tuesdays, I like to bring you guys tools that I've been using in my videos or that I've been using on projects just in and around my garage. How many of you have like just a bin of random nuts and bolts that, you know, when you take something apart, just kind of throw them in there and you never really know what's in there until maybe like once or twice a year you kind of go through it and sort it out. And it becomes a real pain unless you have like a thread checker, something from like Identibolt, like I have hanging up here on my pegboard. They're super handy, but the problem with them is they're stationary or they're on a big fixture. They're not convenient if you're maybe working in an engine bay of a car or a truck and you need to know the thread size of like a water pump bolt. You can't take that Identibolt thread checker, put it in the engine bay and figure out what size bolt that is, whether that's a 1/2 inch, 7/16, who knows? You need something like these where you can just take this and go to that engine bay, go to that tight area and figure out what size bolt you need. And these are nice because it's both in one. So on one end, you have the threaded insert where you can see what the bolt size is, or you flip it around and use the other side, and now you've got the threads that you can take and put into a hole and figure out what size for those threads. Honestly, I don't know who makes it. This was one of those ads that kept popping up on Instagram or Facebook, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna give that thing a try. I'm glad I did. I've had this thing for a few months now, and this thing is really, really handy. Like I said, if I'm working under the hood of a car or my truck or in an area where I can't get my pegboard mounted Identibolt in there, I can just come grab this thing or a couple of them if I think I know what size it is. And it's got it laser etched on the side there. Hopefully that shows up on the camera well. For each size, this one is a 5/8 18. It makes it really, really easy. I'll see if I can find some of these like on Amazon or something like that to link to. But yeah, this set, I'm sure you've probably seen them. If you're anything like me, you watch too many shop projects and tool stuff online, you're probably getting ads for this thing and you've been kind of like hesitant or dubious about it, get one. Check them out. Really, really handy. This set does both metric and standard, all the way up to 1 inch and up to M24. Super, super convenient, super handy. Keep this on your workbench, keep it in your toolbox, wherever. Comes in its own case. Everything's, even the foam in there is etched with the size of the identifier, the bolt insert threaded thing, whatever you want, the thread checker. That's probably the best term for it. But yeah. Like I said, I'll try to see if I can find some links to get you guys in contact with one of these things. This is a must-have in any like home, garage, workshop, whatever it is. Really appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell, and get back to work.